Hello everyone, today I'm Mermaid. Can you guess what I'm going to make today? I will make a mermaid slime. I need glue, baking soda, slime solution, mermaid tail, and lots of glitters. First, I'm taking the colorful glues. This is the color green. This is color pink. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Take all the color out. This is color blue. Blue, glue. Make lines. Alright. I took all my glues out. Let's put 1 scoop of baking soda, 1 spoon of slime solution. Now mix all together. Ooh, it's so gluey. Now let's put some purple glitter. Wow, it's so sparkly. Now let's put some blue. Wow, it's so beautiful color too. Next, I will take color green. Look at that color. How nice. Now I'm going to mix it again. Wow, so beautiful. I love it. Now let's put some rainbow foam ball. Wow, the winds are blowing them away. Hurry up, mix them together. Let's put some colorful beads. My slime is almost ready. Let's knot and stretch it. Woo, it's so slimy now. Let's put some mermaid tail now. Look, my beautiful mermaid slime is ready. I hope you like it. Wait a second, let me put some purple glitter. Wow, it's perfect now. That's all for today. Bye bye.